Hello, and thank you so much for clicking. I'm happy to have you here. Today we are learning two different ways on how to install the artificial braids, and I'd love for you to let me know in the comment section below the video which one do you prefer. Okay, so if you're coming across this type of content for the first time and you'd love to see more of this, please consider subscribing and turn on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that a new video is up here. Don't forget to join my membership to get access on my special packs. Okay, so let's begin, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it with a friend. So let's begin.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me.